Hello, welcome to my channel Goofy's Kitchen. Today I'm making a French classic dish that is cordon bleu. I'm making it with chicken. You can make it with veal too. So let's get started. Here I have taken 4 chicken breasts. To it add 1 teaspoon of salt. I have taken pink salt, 1 teaspoon of freshly crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and finally 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. The original recipe doesn't call for the red chili flakes, but I like a bit spicy version, so I am adding it. You can skip it or add it as you like. Mix the spices onto the chicken really well, and we have to keep this for about 10 to 15 minutes, or you can do it straight away, but it's always better to marinate for some time. Now take a cling film or a plastic sheet and place a chicken breast on it and cover it again with another sheet. We have to flatten this chicken breast. You can use a meat hammer, pounder or any heavy object for this step. I am using a rolling pin for this step. Beat the chicken gently with periodic strikes so that the chicken flattens evenly. Be careful while doing this step, you may tear the chicken. It may take about 3 to 5 minutes to do this step. After you see that the chicken is flattened enough, then with the help of the rolling pin, roll it as you do for the flatbreads, like this. This ensures that the chicken is uniformly flattened. It's very important to place a sheet on top and bottom of the chicken to prevent the chicken from sticking to the board, and this is much easy way to handle the chicken. Now remove the cling film from one side very carefully and gently. And place slices of Swiss cheese on top of it. Followed by slices of mozzarella. I am using smoked turkey mozzarella. You can use chicken, beef, it's all up to your choice. And then roll it like a log. And then wrap it in cling sheet and roll it like this, as if you are making a sausage, and then secure its ends very tightly and place it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to set. Until it's setting in the fridge, let's prepare the dipping sauce. For that, take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce, 2 tablespoons of curd, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 crushed garlic. And finally add few chopped leaves of cilantro or coriander. Mix it. And our dipping sauce is ready. Also, in the meantime, let's steam some broccoli for the side. For that, first wash the broccoli and then cut it. Place it in a pan, add a little water and switch on the flame. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Put on the lid and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is the easiest way to steam a broccoli without a steamer. Now it's time to prepare the coating for the chicken. For that, first crack open an egg and add a little milk to it and then whisk it. We want the egg wash to be little thin. You can also add water to it. Now next the coating mix. Take half a cup of flour, add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of red chili powder. You can always adjust salt and red chili according to your taste and mix well. Now let's check back on the broccoli. It should be al dente, that is on a firm side. It should not be overcooked or soggy. Yes, it's perfectly done. Take out the chicken, unwrap it and start coating. First dip it in the egg wash, then coat it with the flour mix. Ensure that the chicken is well coated with the flour. Again dip it in the egg wash. We have to repeat this step twice. And each time ensure that the chicken is well coated with egg and flour. And finally dust off the excess flour and it's ready to get fried. Deep fry it in a medium hot oil. Cover it for 6 to 8 minutes. After 6 to 8 minutes, uncover it and turn its side. And again cover it for 6 to 8 minutes. It will take about 15 to 18 minutes to cook it thoroughly from inside. I also tried coating with breadcrumbs, but it doesn't work since breadcrumbs cook easily and the chicken is left undercooked. So it's better to use a flour mix for the coating. And when it's golden brown from each side, it's done. See how crunchy and crispy it is. Now let's cut it and have a look from inside. Wow, it looks delicious and the layers of cheese mozzarella are clearly visible. Now slice the remaining of it and look at that cheese. But first let me show you a closer look. Delicious. Slice it before serving. I'm already feeling hungry now. Now comes the best part, tasting. Dip it in the dipping sauce and let's try it. The chicken, turkey and the cheese all together taste super yum. It's crispy, crunchy and juicy and gooey from inside. So please do try it and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And most important, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.